Hi, want to never miss a Tottenham ticket again? Let me introduce you to your new automated assistant. This is our Tottenham ticket booking bot, an intelligent, fully automated system that secures your matchday tickets and instantly notifies you via email when they're added to your cart. All you need to do is paste the match ticket link, and the bot takes care of the rest. It continuously monitors the page and automatically adds tickets to your basket the moment they're available. The bot launches a browser, loads a CAPTCHA solving extension, and logs into the official Tottenham ticketing website, all on its own. It securely logs in with your saved credentials, opens the ticket link, and begins scanning the page, just like a human would, but way faster and around the clock. Even if the site throws CAPTCHAs at it, no problem. This bot bypasses and solves them using integrated AI. As soon as a ticket becomes available, it's selected and instantly added to your basket. And the best part? You get immediate email alerts, so you can log in and check out before anyone else snatches them. Here you can see the emails sent successfully, each one a confirmation that a ticket has been added to your basket. This is a game changer for loyal fans and resellers alike. Fast, reliable, and designed to outsmart queues and bot blockers. This tool puts you in control. Modular clean code. It's customizable for any team or event site. You can adjust login, email, quantity, match link. Everything is automated and tailored to your needs. Want this bot for your next big match? Or need a custom automation solution for ticketing, e-commerce, or beyond? If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.